Start our topic connect with woman energy and how to help your man to be more riches, more successful, and how to do successful family. Today we speak about needs of the man, how you need to understand your man, and how to save and keep energy in your marriage happy. It's very good webinar for women who would like to develop your relationship, to grow up in your relationship, and to understand better also your man. And you need something from writing and some diary in which you can write. And just one moment. Annie, I need silence. So we are. What mean woman field, from where it's coming, and how we can it's improve and to do more stronger our woman field. Very easy test. You can check now which type of partner you attract in your life, how much money this partner put and take, and also when we speak about money, money can come through you. I know families when they start to be together, and at the moment when they start to be together, a woman has new project, more money, it's coming from somewhere. It also means that men give you money, but in direction. And it also means that with his love, with his support, with his attention to you, money come in your family. And it's very important for one couple, if you're correct and if you all do correct and you could give love each other from correct way, then money will come in your home. If no, unfortunately, it's really difficult. And let's see how look women field. It's look like this. I will do one picture and to show you. It's you. It's you, your beliefs about men, about relationship, and it's your women field, your female field. All men who come inside in this field, they will change. If your women field, female field, it's negative, and it's fully with beliefs. Men, they are very bad, men, they are very weak, I need to sorry them, they cannot know things. Then all men who will go inside your women field, female field, all these men, they will start to be exactly what you believe about them. If you female field are positive and you believe men, they are very strong, they are very good, they know what they want, you can trust them, then men who will come inside in your woman field will exactly like this. From this, I would like to say one joke. When Barack Obama speak with his wife, he said to her, you know, I saw one guy when we've been together in the school and he was so like him. Now he just work on the gas station and he's nothing. And if you marry to him, you will wife of the guy who work on the gas station. And Michelle Obama replied to him, no, my dear Obama, if I will marry him, you will stay on the gas station and he will be president of America. And it's very correct, because if women stay with correct female field and you give correct energy, really men who come inside in your female field, it will successful and will develop. Of course, many women say, but if already he is rich, or already he is without money, what to do? If he is a problematic person, it's the question why I attract this man. It means that inside me, I stay with very negative energy and I expect men to be bad with me. And yes, it's happened with me. And also my female field, it's like a filter. Inside cannot come man who is opposite or different with my beliefs about them. For example, if I stay with beliefs that men, they are very weak, they cannot take more than 1,000 euro in the best way, then men who take more than 1,000 never will interesting to me, and I'm not too interesting about them. I will attract only men who stay on this level to be without money or take 1,000, and I cannot have more. It's my woman field. I can see only this. I am not interested about other type of men. It's my filters who come inside in my energy. And now please do the short checking. Which men come inside of your energy? Which type of men? If you have men who have money, or you have men who not have money, who not has job, and also maybe we will do now one very deep meditation. You can check it very often. Women believe that if men have a money and if he will successful, he will bet with me. He will punish me, he will go with other ladies, he will cheat me, he not will respect me. And from this way, I prefer to stay with men who is less, who is smaller, but not to be so bad. And now ask yourself, which type of men come in your energy? If you attract men with career, with success, or you attract men who is not so successful. And we will check why it's like this. And please write it in your diary and also in our chat. If you see it now, which type of man I attract in my life? From with work, with career, with own business, who work on salary, successful, not successful. I'll give you several minutes to write these things. And now we will do first clean practice. First clean practice, which you connect with your father and with your mother. It's your meditation, and you need just to follow me. You can sit very comfortable, and we need to clean our subconscious mind and to check what happened inside in your brain and which limitation beliefs you have which connect with your parents. And sit very comfortable, close your eyes. Close your eyes. And just to come back when your body was very small and when you've been child. See your home. How was look your room? How was looking at the room when you're eating usually? And see in your family how your father give money to mother. If he has money and your mother was calm, then he always have money. If he give it for family, or sometimes men give it from lovers, from themselves. How he gave money. He gave it with pleasure, generosity, or every time need to have scandal, problems, to take money from your father. How he feel. And when you was a child, what you feel, what you believes. Father always have money. Or it's problematic to take from him money. Or maybe he gave but humiliate your mother, beat her, manipulate with money, controlling with money, tell to her bad words. How she was accepted. And give yourself to order to go inside in the painful memory. My dear subconscious mind, please show me the most painful moments connect with money in my family. Where it was connected with humility. Maybe you have moment when you not have money and you feel so humiliated, so down, so bad. Maybe your father not was strong and he couldn't find the money and your mother blamed him. It was the most painful moments which I remember, which connect with money in my family. And just remember it. And ask yourself when it's happened, what I was promising to myself. Maybe I say myself it will never happen again. I not allow this behavior. What you was promised to yourself. Why for you was dangerous or not possible to see your mother and father happy? Maybe they has problems exactly because money. Maybe you say yourself, I was strong enough and I never will depend on men. What was the most difficult moments? And just remember it. And now we will rechange it. And can you imagine that now all change? And when it's all change, can you imagine that miracle come in your home? And your mother there together with your father. They are very happy. They enjoy each other. And can you imagine, just imagine, how your mother, she's so beautiful. And she wants to be beautiful from your father. You live in the beautiful home. You feel so good. And how your father, he come back home. And you wait him to play with him. And your mother wait to him, to kiss him, to hug him. And he come and he say, I have a money. And he give you money. And you feel so calm, so good. You feel so protected that your father always have enough money. He always can take care about your family. And he give money to your mother and say, I am successful man. I am working. I know how to do money. I want you to spend it because I will give you more. Spend it with enjoying. I always have. I am a man. God always give money to our family. We are lived to be rich and to enjoy life. And just imagine how you will feel yourself when it's happened like this. When your family fully with money, you feel protect, safety, you can enjoy life. And you feel so good with your family. And just enjoy your life. Just enjoy relationship with your mother and father. And to know that you live in this energy of receiving, of feeling of money. And your father can take care. If you never had father, just imagine what will happen if you had it. If you had some man who take care about you, who always was close to your mother, who always was support, who always loves her, and to do the same to you, to love you, to support you, to give you energy. Just enjoy this. And to feel how you feel when you have this support, this help, this enjoy. And God loves you. And feel how you're proud of your father, how you're proud of yourself, and how you have this energy. Men, they are strong enough. Men, they can take decision. Men, they know what they want, and they develop a lot. And just enjoy it. Enjoy your energy. Enjoy your feeling. Enjoy how good is it to be connected. And come back now in your reality. Feel your body. And you grow up as a woman. And feel from your back how stay your mother and your father. And stand up now, stay very straight. And just to feel from your right side your father, from your left side your mother. They put one of the hands on your shoulder, and you feel on your shoulder their hands. How they gave you their energy, their support, how they love you. How you feel that you belong. I belong to my family. and I believe on men, as my mother believed on my father.